Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. I congratulate you that you have completed Spoken English Practice 34. Like from Spoken English Practice number 1 till Spoken English Practice number 34. And today we are going to do our Spoken English Practice number 35. This is a free course that you can improve your Spoken English, your fluency, and your accuracy as well as your confidence. So today we are going to do our Spoken English Practice number 35. And the topic for today's Spoken English Practice number 35 is money and shopping. If you are new on this channel, if you are watching first time this, please watch previous video so you will understand what is the methodology, how we can practice. So now we are going to start. Question number 1. Do you like shopping? Question number 2. How much do you spend each day? Question number 3. Are you a price conscious shopper? Like you always see the price whenever you are going to buy, whenever you are going to shop something, you see the price first, or you just select and go on the counter and pay the money? Are you good at saving money? Do you save money to buy some other things? Do you compare price at different stores when you shop? Do you ever give money to charity? Do you give tips at restaurant? Like for example, you visited any restaurant, you did your lunch or dinner, and you pay something to the waiter for their good service, or to help them, or to encourage them to serve better to the customers. Do you bargain when you shop? Do you sometimes buy things that you don't need? Do you give money to beggar? Have you ever given money to a homeless person? How important is money to you? What is important to you, money or love? What is the price of 1 liter petrol in your city? Some people say if you have money you can be happy. What was the last thing you bought for your friend? What is the most expensive thing you bought in your life? Actually, I am asking question and giving time to give you answer. What you can do, just listen question and give the answer. And second thing is that you can listen the question, just pause it and give answer. Third pattern is that you can first listen all like questions, then you should give answers. And if you are listening a question and you are writing, so it's mean you are increasing your listening skills, you are increasing your speaking skills, and you are improving your reading skills, and you are improving your writing skills. Do you think money is more important than love? How much money do you want to earn every month? What qualities must a person have to make enough money? If you find 10 million rupees, what will you do? If you find 10 million rupees, what will you do? Money does not grow on trees. What is your opinion about this sentence? Money does not grow on trees. What is your personal opinion about this? Is it very difficult to earn money, or this is a mindset that make a mindset of people this is very difficult to earn money? So people will never attempt, they will always think about to do a job or search a job. They will not think about the business, because there are too much difficulties in business, challenges in business. So this was our spoken English practice number 35. Please do more and more practice, and in my next video we will do our spoken English practice number 36. Thank you. Goodbye.